The power of artificial intelligence. From this to this. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. The latest release of Adobe Photoshop, version 2024. One of the standout features that's causing quite a buzz is the all-new Generative Fill feature. Generative Fill is a game changer in the world of digital art and photo editing. It's a revolutionary feature that leverages cutting-edge AI technology to intelligently fill areas with content that seamlessly blends into your composition. Imagine you have a blank space in your image that needs filling, perhaps removing an object or adding some creative elements. With Generative Fill, you simply select the area, and Photoshop will analyze the surrounding content to generate a fill that matches the style and context perfectly. This AI-powered tool is incredibly intuitive and adaptable. You can fine-tune the results using various options to achieve the desired effect, whether you want a seamless blend or a creative variation. What's even more exciting is that Generative Fill continues to learn and improve over time. The more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding your style and preferences, making it an indispensable tool for your creative projects. So, if you're looking to enhance your workflow, save time, and unlock new creative possibilities, Adobe Photoshop 2024 with Generative Fill is a must-try. Click subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials and in-depth reviews as we explore the fantastic features of this latest release.